Yeah, so we got this Yoshimura here. Gonna put this on this BRP, and we're gonna get cracking at it. Like I said, I'm gonna get the F&M full system power bond pipe. This was a hell of a deal. Thanks, man. I gave my YouTube channel, so hopefully he gets his BRP out running. He said it was in the shop, and yeah, it'll be quick. So thanks, guys. See you out there when we're doing it. Well, don't be a hack job like me. I stretched this out a little bit because I didn't take the gasket out. Ended up just putting a new piece of gasket material on there, and it went on fine other than me stretching it out. No leaks as of right now. Get a longer actual exhaust bolt to the frame because with the rubber, I don't have all the rubber on it yet. I have it temporary till I can get another bolt. I didn't have nothing. I spent 3 hours looking for a bolt with the same thread pattern, just a little longer than the one that came with the Yosh. But yo, this thing is freaking blappy, so I don't know if you want to be loud. This sucker's loud. What the hell is going on? So that's significantly louder at idle. This thing must not be working right. Now it's just the rain. Hello! That thing's way louder than me talking, so I don't think this is not too. Had a whole bunch of stuff on it, but. Yeah, this thing's garbage, so. Yeah, see you guys out there.